For centuries, the shape of the Earth has been settled science. Ancient Greeks like Eratosthenes measured its circumference with shadows and sticks. Sailors navigated around the globe, and astronauts later photographed a blue marble hanging in space. Yet in the internet age, a surprising movement insists it is all a lie. The Earth is flat. Flat Earth theory draws a radically different map. Believers say the planet is a level disk with the North Pole at the center and Antarctica forming an icy wall around the rim. The sun and moon, they claim, are small and local, circling above like spotlights. Space travel is dismissed as theater. NASA, they argue, fabricates images and video to maintain the illusion. Online forums and video platforms gave the idea new life and a stronger voice. Clips highlight the horizon looking flat, or ships that seem not to dip below it. Conferences appeared with speakers and merch. When public figures flirted with the idea, attention exploded and the movement grew louder. Scientists point to overwhelming evidence for a sphere. Airlines plot curved routes that only make sense on a globe. Satellites enable GPS, weather maps, and communications. Everyday observations fit. A ship's hull disappears before its mast. New constellations appear as you travel south, and shadows change with latitude the way Eratosthenes measured long ago. Gravity itself would behave very differently on a disk. So why does flat Earth persist? Psychology offers clues. Rejecting a basic truth can feel empowering, a way to resist authority and join a community. In an era of mistrust and fragmented media, contrarian claims spread faster than corrections. Once skepticism becomes identity, contrary evidence can look staged. Documentaries have profiled the movement and asked how an easily tested idea gains traction. Educators worry it erodes trust in science and makes it harder to tackle real problems like climate change or public health. Supporters call themselves free thinkers, even when experiments they design quietly confirm a globe. In the end, flat Earth is less about geography than belonging. Historically, multiple clues pointed to a globe long before rockets. During lunar eclipses, Earth's round shadow sweeps across the moon. Travelers noticed Polaris sinks lower in the sky the farther south you go. In the age of exploration, ships sailing west returned home. Today, anyone can try simple checks like this. Watch a distant ship with a long zoom camera and see the hull appear last. Compare sunset times between two cities, or follow a non-stop flight that only makes sense on a globe. Is flat Earth harmless curiosity, or a warning about how fragile truth becomes when conspiracy thinking takes hold?